Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering, home improvement segment. I am Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and just to stay up to date with all my different projects. So, well, you've seen all the things I've done to the walls, but I still have all the stuff from my garage here, which makes it a bit hard to live here. But I now have the desk, as you can see, and my monitor and my sofa and glass table, which you saw in the previous episode, and you can see that it's a little less things on these shelves. So what I've done off camera is I've taken stuff from here, clean them and put them on the shelves next to the window. So that will be the stuff that either needs to go back on my Supra or needs to go to the garage. I will take one of these shelf sections and put in my storage unit, and the other one will go into my office. So that's what I will be doing today. So things that aren't that valuable will go into the storage unit, but it's convenient to have some sort of shelves to put them on. So I think this will be good. And also, as you see down here, I have a lot of garbage from renovating this room, so that will have to go as well. But when I've removed that shelf, I can start to put in some other furniture towards this wall, which will clear up space in my kitchen and so on and so on. So it's a snowball effect. So the only thing missing for that to start is my work. So I will get started again.
Body boys don't get hurt, can't feel anything, will I learn? Push it down, push it down. I'm the one for a good time call, phone's blowing up, ring my doorbell, feel the love, feel the love. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Throw back to Lala's cow. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier. Sun is up, I'm a mess, gotta get out now, gotta run from this. Here comes the shame, comes the shame. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Throw back to Lala's cow. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier. I'm gonna live like tomorrow doesn't exist, doesn't exist. I'm gonna fly like a bird through the night. My days is a dream. country. I'm gonna eat me a lot of peaches. Peaches come from a can. They were put there by a man with a factory downtown. If I had my little way, I'd eat peaches every day. Sons of impulses in the shade. I'm moving to the country. I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches. I'm moving to the country. I'm gonna eat me a lot of peaches. I'm moving to the country. I'm gonna eat a lot of peaches. I'm moving to the country. I'm gonna eat me a lot of peaches. I took a little nap with the roots on twist. Squished a rotten peach in my fist. When dreamed about you, woman. I poke my finger down inside. Make a little room for an ant to hide. Nature's candy in my hand, or can or pie. Peach, 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 peach. Now give me a peach, 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 peach. Now give me a peach, peach, peach. Millions of peaches, peaches for me. Millions of peaches, peaches for free. Millions of peaches, peaches for me. Millions of peaches, peaches for free. Look out! Millions of peaches, peaches for me. Millions of peaches, peaches for free. Millions of peaches, peaches for me. Millions of peaches, peaches for free. How I show my love.
So that was a very short episode, and I think you can guess that this is recorded in the future compared to the rest of the episode. I forgot to record an outro at the time. I'm sorry for that. But one shelf is gone from the living room. After the episode I had a lot of stuff to sort, because basically I moved it out from the living room and made a pile in the rest of the apartment. So even though I didn't do very much in this episode, it was a big step forward. Now there is a line of sight between someone who sits in the sofa and where the TV eventually will be. So that's very important. But yeah, thank you very, very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe, take care, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye.